Hi everyone, we got ourselves a fresh to the floor 2020 Street Glide in vivid black. The nice enforcer wheels up front, halogen headlight. This does have the highway pegs up there too. Nice set of 12-inch bars. This does have a 107 cubic inch motor, 6-speed transmission. Also has the 6.5 GTS radio, so that is Apple CarPlay compatible and Android Auto capable as well. USB port. This bike only has 10 oh, come on, focus, 10,425 miles. The quick detached backrest. This also does have a set of stretch bags on it. Looks very nice. Vance and Hines slip-ons. Bike is very clean. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson, 1966, Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.